What's going on, Six Dancing Stars Ranch, and welcome back to another one. Alright, so today is going to be a little bit different. Today we're making a Faraday can or a Faraday box, however you want to say it. We saw a lot of people starting to do this because there's a lot of things going on in the world. I'm not going to get into all that right now, but we saw 2 videos of people making these that we liked and wanted to try, and we're going to try it out for ourselves and see if we can kind of combine the two, see if they work, and pass it on to you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it, and we'll start off with the materials and what you need. Alright, let's do it.
We gotta get a cup of coffee first before we go to the garden, right?
Alright guys, first thing you're going to need is 20-gallon plastic can, and then a 31-gallon galvanized steel can, something to draw with, a box knife or something to cut with, a Sawzall or Jigsaw, 2 boxes, and aluminum foil is optional. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is put your can on some cardboard and trace out a circle. We're going to get 2 of those out and place them in the bottom of the can. Next thing you're going to want to do is take your Jigsaw or your Sawzall and cut off the handles of your plastic can. After that, you're going to take the lid for it and cut off the handles for the lid. That way your lid will fit inside. Now, a notable thing, you can poke 2 holes in it and take some string and make a handle for yourself. That way you can take the lid off once inside. Then you're going to place your plastic can inside of your galvanized metal can.
Alright guys, so for this section, I'm going to mic up live, that way you guys can hear it and see that it actually works. Okay, so I got my phone out. I'm going to go ahead and give her a call. Alright, you see that it's calling. See it on the phone. And we also have her watch, if I can get that to show up for you guys. There you go. That's another way we can find out. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and put it in a box. Okay, and then we're going to put it inside of another box that's inside the trash cans. There you go. So essentially 2 boxes, your plastic trash can and your metal trash can. Go ahead and put the lid on it now. Alright. So just like that. And now time for the moment of truth. We're going to go ahead and give it a call again. Same person. Calling. And here, I'll put on speaker, that way you guys can hear it calling.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice message.
And there you go. So it actually works. Okay, but one thing I do want to duly note is if you do not have a good tight seal from your lid to your can, the one thing you could do is take aluminum tape and go ahead and tape around the inside of it, or even right here on the edge, especially for long-term use, okay, if you're going to be storing things for a while. And one other cool thing we found out was aluminum foil, okay? So if you want a little extra layer of protection, you know, just in case you don't think it's fully going to work, wrap it in aluminum foil and you will get the same result, okay? We're going to go ahead and give it a shot right here for you guys. Same thing, roll it up, put it in there. Alright, put the lid on. Alright, we're going to give it a call. Again, same number, call. and nothing on the watch.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated...
And there you go. Just like that. And there you have it, guys, a Faraday cage just for you from 6 Starts Ranch. Now, we've seen a lot of people doing this, so we wanted to give it a shot. The two main notable things I can say is just make sure that your lid is on tight. You want to have a good connection, okay? That's why I mentioned the aluminum tape, all right? To fill that void, make sure you get a good connection in between it, and that will help block out the signal. And if you really want the extra layer of protection, like I said, you can wrap the item in aluminum foil. Obviously, put your item inside of a box or inside of a sock or a shirt, you know, wrap it and then put the aluminum foil over it, depending on what you're storing. And then that way you can have multiple items inside of your can without the aluminum foil touching each other, okay? That's the key thing to note, all right? That was number 2. But I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to share and get it out there. And thank you guys.